All right, just got my new project bike. It's going to be for my granddaughter who's 9 years old, and she has just started riding and she is so passionate about it. She comes over the house, it's like, let's go riding. So that's all I've been doing in my spare time is riding with my granddaughter on a bike that's much too small for her. So called around and come to find out I had a friend had a bike that was just collecting dust. It is a GT Aggressor Pro. Let's take a look at this thing. All right, so yes, this is still connected to the main body of the bike. It is dirty, it is nasty. He was using it to adorn his front porch and for spare parts. So, oh yeah, she's quite crusty and dirty. Cable still connected to her. The paint on the bike, it's got some scuffs. Let's see if I can really get them in there. Yeah, but it's a good paint on there. The head tube bearings are long gone, non-existent. So I need a new headset. But the paint's not bad. The decals aren't bad. Well, they're not decals really. They're actually paint in the bike. So there's no decal set on it. The tires are like brand new, still got nubs on them. So that's good to start with right there. 27.5, so that's a really good size. And that chain is, oh man, has she seen better days. That's kind of beyond a vinegar bath. Something died there maybe. Oof. But 20 front derailleur, Acer on the rear. And you know what? A little bit elbow grease and all. And I think we're going to have a nice bike for her. All right, so we're back inside. Got the frame in the stand, and we're going to pull the crank off. Not too hard there. Alrighty. A little bit of water in there still. Park Tool CCP44 to the rescue here. Oh, she's on there. Nope, that won't work. This one will. Cinch that down a little better. I have one more trick up my sleeve that might work for this. Oomers, circa Kuwait, 2018. Working on everybody's bikes. If that doesn't give me enough leverage, I just put a regular wrench on it. Oh, this isn't regular, it's kind of irregular, but wow. All right, GT, way to go. This was definitely not a Friday bicycle, or even a Wednesday bicycle. This is like a straight up Tuesday job. They were awake on the job for this one. Oh, there we go. Wow. That sucker on there. Hope if any of you at home have to do this, it goes a lot easier. That was tough. All right, so now that I got the crank arms off, what we're going to do is let me show you some of this framework here. Some of the scuffs. Just kind of rough. So I have my drill, I have a buffing wheel, and I got some of this scratch away stuff. So usually does a pretty good job for me, and we're gonna have at it. Better it looks now. It's got it all buffed up. Let's take a look at it. See if we can catch it nice in the light here. Yes, it's a nice polished buff. Now I have, again, the scratch away product, but I also have another one that I like to use. It's called Meguiar's Cleaner Wax. If you can still find that stuff around, the shelves are getting contaminated with a lot of newer products and stuff. It seems they like rotating out stock. These little foam pads, they go on a arbor that fits into the drill, and it works great. So it comes with a little buffing pad. You can get these off of Amazon or wherever you want to shop, AliExpress, heck, maybe even Temu now, who knows, but they work great. You can put the product on there, buff it out real nice with a cordless drill, and you see the results. Nice, shiny like glass. Probably going to get a little dirty putting her all back together, but well, that's the next step. So hey, let's call this step one.